In this quick video, I'll tell you how to fix Windows 11 keyboard keys not working. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, we need to search here settings and then open setting app in your computer. Then go to accessibility from here on left panel and now scroll down here until you find keyboard here. So you can see this is keyboard, and now enable on-screen keyboard by clicking on it, and then your on-screen keyboard will be open and we will use it for searching here. Now click on search icon and type here run. Once you type it, click on run file and now it will open this window where we need to type regedit and then click on OK. It will ask you for your permission. Just click on yes. Then it will open registry editor in your computer. Once you are here, expand HKey local machine. For that, click on this arrow which is on left side and then expand system here. Now expand current control set and then we need to expand services. Now we need to find one folder here which is i8042prt. You can see this is the folder. I just need to tap on it and then go to start. You can see start here. Click on it and now right click here, go to modify, then type here 1 and now all we need to do is tap on OK. Close this window and restart your computer and then your problem will be fixed and your keyboard keys will start working. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.